5 birds that lay eggs in other birds' nests. 5. Brown-headed cowbird. The brown-headed cowbird, a small brood parasitic bird native to North America, lays its eggs in the nests of various host species, often resulting in the survival of its own hatchlings at the expense of the host's young, and these cowbird offspring later identify with other cowbirds. 4. Indigo bird. Indigo birds, native to Africa and belonging to the Viduidae family, including whydahs and cuckoo finches, lay their eggs in the nests of Old World finches, using vocal mimicry to continue their parasitic breeding cycle without destroying the host's eggs. 3. Honey guide. Honey guides, found in southern Africa, the Himalayan foothills, and Malaysia, are known for the greater honey guide's behavior of leading humans to beehives. While some honey guide species are brood parasites that lay eggs in host nests, often hatching first and occasionally eliminating host eggs or hatchlings. 2. Black-headed duck. The black-headed duck, found in South American wetlands, is unique for its brood parasitism, where females lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, coexisting with the host's eggs and sparing the host's young. 1. Common cuckoo. The common cuckoo, a renowned brood parasitic bird, infiltrates the nests of over 100 host species, typically laying its eggs in multiple nests, and ensures its chick survival by eliminating host eggs or young through effective mimicry.